10 seconds to start the dictation. Five seconds to go. Start. In discussing the demands for grants of the Finance Ministry, we have got to see what extent the administration of this particular ministry has led to the development of our national wealth and the securing of the welfare which our state claims to have in view. Madam, we must try to analyze very carefully the working of this particular ministry, because it is not merely a department of the government, so to say, but it is the nerve center of the administration of the country. I would like first to refer to the role of foreign capital, because in determining the manner in which the permission of capital issues has been granted by the particular administration, we should keep in our mind to what extent the interests of our country have been served. I fully endorse the statement which the previous speaker has made so far as repatriation of the investments made by foreigners and of profits are concerned. We have dealt with this topic quite a number of times, and I do not want to reiterate anything apart from only supporting what the honorable member who just now spoke said. I would like to deal with the investments of foreigners in India. Madam, the government of our country appreciated the proposition that in allowing foreign investment, it should come in only in such industry and such form of production wherein our national investors will not come forward and in which technical skill is wanted. There is also one other factor which the industrial policy of our government of 1948, further in 1949 by the Prime Minister laid down. It specifically said that the control and ownership of such concerns should, as far as possible, be in the hands of Indian nationals, and the technical know-how of our country should be developed. I would like to emphasize the figures that have been put forward for the last year from 1947 till now, the end of 1952 or the early part of 1952. It has been allowed to be invested in our country. Of that, practically more than rupees 9 crores have been allowed to be further invested in managing agency and trading enterprises in our country. Stop.